What's up everybody, this is Travis from DIY Auto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a steering wheel and a quick release. Stay tuned. Alright, so first there's going to be two hex key screws for the airbag on each side of the steering wheel, so we got to take those off first. Alright, now that you have those two screws out, your airbag should come right out. Now that you have your airbag out, you're going to want to pop out this bottom plastic right here, and that'll give you access to take out these yellow plugs here for the airbags. You have the airbag out, you're going to take out this center bolt here that's going to hold on the steering wheel, and it's a 14mm. Now that you have that broke loose, don't take it all the way off, and then you got to kind of wiggle your steering off like that, and then you finish taking this bolt off. Forgot to show you this, but what you're going to do is there's some tabs in here, and you're just going to click these tabs in, you're able to pull out all of the airbag system. And for this project, I'm going to be using a Boss kit. You can get these ones on eBay, Amazon, pretty much anywhere online. Just make sure it's the right spline for your vehicle. You want to take that 14mm bolt, screw that back in. Alright, tighten that down. Alright, now that we got the hub on, we're going to start putting on the quick release. You can get this on Amazon or anywhere online. I'll put a link in the description below on all of these parts so you can pick them up yourself. So first you're going to release the quick release. Get the bottom part out here. And then you're going to use your Allen wrenches to get this bolted on. Now that we have that piece on, we're going to go ahead and put the other piece on the steering wheel, and I'm going to be using an NRG steering wheel. You can also get this on Amazon. I'll put the link below. So we'll just take that piece. You're going to want to put in your center cap here. And that's it. Thank you for watching DIY Auto. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you want to see me do next. And hey, do you want any cool stickers? You can go ahead and use the link below at stickerboost.com and get 15% off any of your orders using coupon code DIY Auto. Thank you so much. Keep on modding.